You guys, welcome back to my face and my thickness. Look what came in the mail today. Jeffree Star Cosmetics Spring Mystery Box. Let's get to opening. Welcome back, y'all. I haven't made a video in so long. So today, I got these big mamas. I got all 4 of them. Yeah! I even got the 420 box, even though I do not smoke. But I don't mind it. 420 it up. Look how big it is. Oh my god. How y'all been? I've been procrastinating a lot. Especially on these videos. Bam! So this is what it looks like. Oh, I can't reach it. Got some paper. Yeet. 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 Bam, the yellow one. Bam, the green one. Bam, the baby blue one. We got Star Lounge. Jeffree Star. We got our invoice, $405. Let's get to it. We're gonna start small. If I get any dupes or doubles of anything, I might do a giveaway or maybe I'll sell them. I don't know. Premium box. We're gonna start with a premium box. Open it up and I bust it open. If y'all want me to do like giveaways, let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe. Damn! Oh, it's this way. So this is what we got on the first one. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. This shit was oily. The first one. Ooh, we got a tie-dye hat. What's that? Does it fit my big head? Next thing is a pop socket tie-dye. Ooh, cute. Look at my bangs. Now we got this. What is this? Is this the blue blood? Because if it is, yes it is. I already have this one. Next thing we got is the glouse in the color Silk Rope. Silk Rope. Can you see? Silk Rope. I don't think I have this one, so I'm gonna try it on real quick. Like a light nude. Look at me trying to be an Emmy way. Ooh. Bam! Velour lip scrub and strawberry gum. Is that it? That's it for that one. Skin tight. It's like the same color as the lip gloss. That one's new. The yellow one next. The Deluxe Extra is extra small. Bust it open, Tatiana. First thing we get is another pamphlet. Steber. What are these? Oh, they're pins. Hi, how are you? Beauty Killer and the lipsticks. Ooh, they're metal pins. Cool. What is next? This one. What is this one? Oh, I don't have this one. Yay! I don't have this one. The only palette that I do not have. Yay! Oh my god. Jawbreaker. I have the small one, but I never got the chance to get the big one. Look how pretty! Next thing is Love Me Not. I already have this one, but I gave it to my mom. But I think I'm gonna have to keep this one because I'm kind of running low. Look how pretty! It has all the reds and some pinks in this case. We got Diet Shane. I think that's like a lip balm. Ooh, it's like a bullet. I'm in the ghetto. Oh, it's clear. Yeah. Moisturize. I got this. What is this? Death Blow eyeshadow. I didn't know he had single pans. Death Blow. I think it's from the cremated palette. It's just a white with the tombstone with the star. So this is it, just white. Okay. Clean it up, Coke. What is this, a shirt? We got an extra small shirt. Extra small. Ooh. Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's green. Come on, work with me, camera light. Cute. Definitely gonna wear that. Cause black is what? Slimming. Is that it? Nope. There's still 3 things, damn. Diamond Juice in the glass. Diamond Juice. Let me get up close and personal. She a peachy metallic. Ooh. Next up is, what is this? Jeffree Star Cosmetics Automatic Eyeliner. Automatic eyeliner. It just slides out. And it's in Resting Rich Face. The packaging's cute. Ugh! Oh, I'll just draw a beauty mark. Ooh, she's creamy. It's like a dark green. Like a caca green. Like when your baby poops. What have we got? We got another single eyeshadow in Life Insurance, which I believe is the cremated palette again. It's like a light gray, elephant gray. Dumbo, big ears. Oh, they have grano. How many of these do we got? Burial ground, or what? Burial gown. Come on, dyslexic. It's like a light gray and green. All right. So we got 3 singles. Like me, I'm single. I don't got anybody. No, we got one more thing. And in the color, birthday suit. Birthday suit. Okay, let's try it on. I don't have this one yet, so I want to keep it. All right. Woman. Spring Mystery Box Premium 420. The Mary J and Juana. Oh, I got an itch, hold it. I don't smoke, but I got it because why not? I got that stimulus. Okay, so here we go. We got another fucking pamphlet in there every time. Relax. Okay, so we got. Is this another hat? I got another hat, but this one has the 420. Follow me on TikTok if you don't. This is my TikTok. Wabam! Thank you. So now we got, what's this? What is this? Bronze 63 mm. I know nothing about smoking, okay, so leave me alone. I think it's a grinder. Ooh, it is a grinder. Should I open it? Ooh, it looks cool though. It's like bronze. Ooh. How does this even... I think you put your devil's lettuce in there. And then it You just twist it. Next thing is this blood money? Because I already have this one too. Yes, it is. It's blood money. I'm not even gonna open this one. Now I got this, the gloss in the color. Sickening, no? Come on, Alexis Mattel. All right, it's like a chrome purple. Where's my makeup wipe? Okay. Oh, with the black lipstick. Let's keep it moving, Mary. What is this? A pop socket with the devil's lettuce symbol. Is that it? Hello? Last thing. Oh, I need to recycle a lot. It's in stoned. It's a green little lip balm. And it's a light green. It smells like... I can't really smell it. Coronavirus! Just kidding. Already got my vaccine. Waiting for the second one. Now we got to the big mamas. The big one. Another pamphlet. That's the fourth one. Jesus Christ. So the first thing we see is a sweater. Ooh, she thick or whatever. Ooh, purple and green. Some pretty ass colors. Ooh, and she thick. She's that good material. You know what? Let me put this on real quick. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm back. Got my head. Cute. We got the orgy palette. This one, I already have it as well. I already have. I got a. Is this a fanny pack? Oh, it's a little pouch. It's a little pouchy pouch. How does this work? So you close it and you snap it on. That's cute. It's another dupe. It's Bloodlust. I already had this one too. So next thing is, ooh, Gag Me. This is the one that I wanted. Oh my god, this one's gonna be gorgeous. Oh my god. Let's see. Ooh. Gag me, daddy. Let me check out my finger. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this one's gorgeous. I'm going young. This one's a win, win, win no matter what. Next thing we get is bubble wrap. Paper. More paper. A single and delicious. It's a black eyeshadow. I think it's just black, right? Oh no, it's not black. It's like a dark purple, dark blue. All right. Are these testers? We have another single in Last Look. It's a shimmer, a dark gray. Ooh, we got a lot of lip product. We got Wizard Glass. Oh no, this one's, ooh. This one's like purple, gold, and rose. Ooh, let me try this one out. Mwah! Like chrome. What is this? Allegedly. Is this a lip liner? Long lasting extreme beauty matte finish, cruelty vegan. Allegedly. I think it's a lip liner. Or eyeliner? I don't think I have. Yeah, I don't have this one. Because allegedly. Ooh. Damn. What's this? What's this? I got Androgyny. This is one of the really famous ones. Androgyny, which I have a couple of those. And we got Gemini. Another single. Sour. Which a sail puts the ease. Green eye. Oh, let me try this green. Ooh. Next thing we got. We'll do the mirror last because I see a mirror in here. A mirror in here. This one is the Velvet Trap lipstick in the color Medieval Kiss. Look at it. It looks like a dog sting-a-ling-a-lingy. Ooh, I need to try this out. Hold up. Make a bite. Let's see. Hello? Hello? Oh, this is gorgeous. Ooh. And last, oh wait, no, we saw this one. Let me be perfectly clear. Is this a clear gloss? Please bear a clear gloss. It is! It's just clear. Does it smell good? Yes it does. This is nice. What mirror is it gonna be? It says Baby Pink. Baby Pink. Trixie Mattel. Jeffree Star approved. Okay. This one. I have the other one though. I bedazzled it. So I got two. Yes, so that was everything. I look a mess. Yo, make sure you subscribe, like, leave me a comment. If you want me to do like a giveaway, add me on TikTok, Instagram, all that good stuff. Okay? So we'll talk to you later. Goodbye, y'all. Mwah! Stay thick.